So the sled starts and runs on the first hole. It starts and runs every time. Notice the only problem with the whole sled is right there, and the crack that runs from there, down, to there, and there. That's the only problem with the whole sled. Other than that, it runs great. It has... It has 143 hours, and 2,147.1 miles on it. Everything else works. It's got a brand new mud flap on it. The tractor is an Attack 2141, 30 durometer. It's been all nice and clean. I can show you the motor. As you can see, it's really clean. Just a standard rust on the pipe. Hasn't ever been painted. It's got a muff pot, a really nice one. It's been welded to the muffler, so it works great. Everything has been washed, cleaned, and lubricated. All the joints are good. Sled runs fine. It was tuned up by Waldron Dry Cab before they closed. Registered till the end of this year, or actually this expired. 141-inch track. Still under seat storage with the shovel underneath there. Looks and runs great. I'll include pictures along with this, and you guys so you can make, or at least evaluate it enough where you can make me an offer over online for another sled. It's got an M-Series plate on it right there. So there it is. I'll send you this over an email.